Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones to connect them. Cool. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So just press and hold power button to turn off your headphones. And after that, press and hold again to turn on it. Here we go. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So just press and hold power button to turn off your headphones and then click the information icon or settings icon. If you have Android, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, also click pair new device and then press and hold on power button to turn on your headphones. They should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold Bluetooth button right here to enter pairing mode. And now click on it at the device list. Cool, we did it. But if it also didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold Bluetooth button and this button to change mode at the same time until they disconnecting from your phone. Here we go. Now release your fingers and then click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device. And after that, click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!